Hello guys, welcome to my next video. This time I thought I was planning to put some other product reviews, but suddenly we made veg pulao at home, so I thought why not put that. Okay, so let's begin with some spicy veg pulao. Why spicy? Because I like it that way. We thought we'll do like that today. Okay, to begin with, let's have a cooker on the stove. We'll add some 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in whatever quantity you wish you can add. So after adding ghee, you can add some garam masala items, clove, bay leaves, cinnamon, whatever you have at home, all those stuff, you can add those garam masala items, cumin seeds and all. So after adding that to ghee, you can just fry that for some time. And once a nice smell comes, you can add some onion to it, nicely chopped onions. It can be a little big in size, need not be very small. Okay, we'll stir it for some time in ghee unless it becomes dark brown and yummy in color. After that, we'll add some green chilies or red chilies, whichever according to your preference. After that, we'll add some ginger garlic paste. If you wish to avoid this, you can skip that as well. Okay, then we'll stir it for some time until that raw taste of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Okay, after some time, once it's done, we'll now add some vegetables to it. Vegetables can be anything of your choice. Basically, I have added cauliflower, carrot, and beans, some peas as well. Okay, if you don't like peas, you can avoid that as well. Now, I have also added some fresh spring onions to it. This will further enhance the taste of the pulao. You might not have expected this, but this will definitely, trust me, this would definitely add the taste. It will enhance the pulao's taste. See, it looks so colorful and yummy. So that's done. The main part is done. So now let's stir it for some time until it's cooked well. Okay, after some 3-4 minutes, let's add turmeric powder. Then let's add some salt to taste. I usually don't measure it in spoon or something. We'll have an idea, so I have added accordingly. You can add it according to your taste. Stir it well. Let it get cooked for some time. After that, once it's nice and mixed well, let's add some chili powder. You can add it according to your preference. If you like it more spicy, you can add more of chili powder. Let's again mix it for some time. Once it's done, let's add some biryani rice to it. This can be any rice according to your choice. I won't recommend any particular brand or something, whichever you like. But the consistency is mostly like if you add 1 cup of rice, it should be 1.5 cup of water. I have added 2 cups of rice here today. I haven't soaked it in water for several minutes or something. I have just washed it in water and I have added 2 cups of rice to this and I have stirred well. And now the twist comes. Instead of water, I will add coconut milk this time. This is the secret of our today's recipe. This will definitely come out very well. Okay, so that is the max behind this. Also, if you are adding 1 cup of rice, you have to add 1.5 cups of uh, water or coconut milk. So I've added 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of coconut milk. Now let's add some finely chopped coriander leaves on top of it, so that when everything gets cooked up in the cooker, this will also get cooked up so that the entire taste will come out very well. If you add it in the end as well, it's okay, but if you add it now also, it will enhance the taste further. Okay, so that's all. Everything is done. Let's close the lid. You can keep it in high flame and wait for 2 whistles, just 2 whistles, and that's done. So my 2 whistles have come out now. I'm just removing it and let's see. Let's see. Wow, that steam is coming out so well. It's so yummy. It smells so good. My veg pulao today is ready. See how beautiful it looks. We didn't do anything special. We just put it everything, fried it, just kept it in cooker and just kept it for 2 whistles. See, its consistency is very good. The rice is not sticky. All the vegetables have been boiled very well, and overall it looks very good. Some coriander leaves now to garnish, and everything is done now. Let's have this tasty yummy pulao today. Just watch out my channel for few more videos. It will not be cooking every time, okay? We'll watch out for some interesting stuffs like product reviews and many more. Okay, keep watching our channel, like, share and subscribe if you like it. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.